Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi A1 Plus smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, wrong pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, tap on power off. Okay, now press volume up and power key together for a few seconds, press and hold it. Now release. Okay, now press power then volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. You can see now it is in Android recovery mode. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here you can see wipe data factory reset. Here you can see wipe data factory reset. Go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. Go to factory data reset and confirm. Here you can see wiping data, formatting data. Okay, data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, when asked for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Redmi A1 Plus smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.